Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss SBI Clerk Prelims 2022-20 set number is 210004 and your first question and the question from the syllogism, right? Draw the Venn diagram. Only water is juice. Only is a condition, right? Juice should be considered inside and star mark because it is a condition. Juice is inside water. Some water is cabbage. Right? Only a few water is tomato. Right? Only a few only a few water is tomato. Some part of water in the tomato is related, and some part of water in the tomato is not related. Right? This is our Venn diagram. Right? Some tomato is not water. Check it the first conclusion. First conclusion check చేయండి. Some tomato is not water. మనకి water నుండి tomato కి some not relation ఉంది. Right? Some part of water is not related with the tomato. మనకి tomato నుండి water కి relation లేదు. First one is a false conclusion. Where comes the second? No cabbage is juice. No cabbage is juice. మనకి జ్యూస్ తో రిలేషన్ ఏది? జ్యూస్ ఇస్ అ కండిషన్ విచ్ షుడ్ బి రిలేటెడ్ విత్ ద ఓన్లీ వాటర్. వాటర్ తో ఒక్క దాంతో రిలేట్ కావాలి. అండ్ వెన్ యూ చెక్ నార్మల్ గా చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు జ్యూస్ అండ్ ద వాటర్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ juice and the cabbage are no relation between the juice and the cabbage, but here juice is a condition, it should not relate with the other one, and second conclusion is a true, and our answer here it is only 2 follows. Second one, draw the Venn diagram. Next, only a few chain is screw. Only a few chain is screw. Some part of chain and screw are related, and some part of chain and screw are not related. Right? Only screw is key. Only screw is key means here it is a condition. All key are screw. That should be a star mark because it is a condition. Right? All alarm is screw. All alarm is screw. Right? Here we have a Venn diagram like this. Look at conclusion 1. All keys can be alarm. All keys can be alarm. Manaki relation aithe ledu. Manaki only the keys are only the screw should be related. Screw is key means all clues all keys are screw అనేది మెన్షన్ చేశారు, అండ్ ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి మనకి ఇంటర్నల్ గా స్క్రూ లోపలే అలార్మ్ అండ్ ఆర్మ్ అండ్ కీ ఉన్నారు, బట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి రిలేటెడ్. కంప్లీట్లీ నెగటివ్ రిలేషన్ ఉన్నాయి. పాసిబిలిటీ కూడా మనకి కండిషన్ బేస్ దాంట్లో ఓన్లీ కండిషన్ లో పాసిబిలిటీస్ అనేది రాదు. నెక్స్ట్, ఆల్ చైన్ కెన్ బి స్క్రూ. All chain can be screw. Check it here. From chain we have a partial relation, some part related and some part is not related and clear ga mention chesaru. Some part not related and mention chesinappudu we cannot say that all chain can be screw. Second one is also false, and our answer here it is neither 1 nor 2 follows. Next question. Look at here. Some plant is tall. Some plant is tall. No tall is big. No plant is short. No plant is short. Yes, this is our Venn diagram. Look at here. Some tall can be short. Check it here. Some tall can be short. From tall to short we have a partial relation. Partial relation emundi? This plant should not be related with the screw. Ante manaki ikkada general conclusion undi, some not. If possibility it is some and no possibilities, and first one conclusion is a true conclusion. Where comes the second one? Some plant can be big. The same. Ippudu ila check chesam kada, ila check chesinappudu plant ki ట్రీస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో టాల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో బిగ్ తో రిలేట్ అవ్వద్దు అండ్ దిస్ షుడ్ బి సమ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద జనరల్ కంక్లూషన్ ఫర్ ద ప్లాంట్ టు బిగ్ అండ్ హియర్ ద సెకండ్ కంక్లూషన్ is also true and our answer here it is option 5. Right, and here we have a question, sitting arrangement based question. 8 persons sit around a rectangular table, 4 of them sit at the corner and 4 of them sit at the middle side of the table. 4 corner lo కూర్చుంటారు, 4 are in the middle of the table. Right, okay, and here we have information. The one who sits at the corner faces towards the center. Corner are facing towards the center, and this one who sits at the middle side faces outside the center. These people are facing outside the center. Right, okay, this is the information and our question starts from here. Only 2 persons sit between L and N. In between L and N, 2 persons are there. Right, and one of them sits at the corner of the table. Okay, ఒకరు కార్నర్ ఆఫ్ ద టేబుల్ ఉండాలి అంటే 2 persons అన్నారు కదా, ఒకరు కార్నర్ అయినప్పుడు 1 2 chances corner N or L. We need to assume here మనకి కాన్స్టెంట్ గా తెలియదు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నారా రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నారా అని తెలియదు కాబట్టి we are saying here L or N, N or L. Right, next, M sits immediate right of N. Okay, M sits immediate right of N అంటే we'll take again here 2 possibilities తీసుకుందాం. Right, corner are facing towards the center, sides are facing away from the center. Okay, I'm considering N here, I'm considering N here, and corner is N. In this case, corner sides is N, corner is L. Right, okay, M sits immediate right of N. Immediate right, N is facing towards the center and it is right side is this side, M is here. N is facing away from the center, corner is this side. Right, next, O sits immediate right of L. L's right side, L is facing away from the center and here it is O. L is facing towards the center, O is here. Right, K sits third to the right of O. O is here, first right, second right, third right, K is here. O, first right, second right, third right. Already M is placed, we cannot place K there and our assumption is false assumption there. Right, next, P sits third to the left of K. P sits third to the left of K. K is facing away from the center, first left, second left, third left, and P is here. J sits third to the left of O, Q, who faces towards the center. Okay, who faces towards the center here? Q faces towards the center. Check it here. Corner lo manaki facing towards the center. Already oka corner O unnaru, N, P muguru unnaru, and Q is the other one who is places in the corner. Right, J sits third to the left of Q. Q is facing towards the center, first left, second left, third left. J is here. Right, okay, J is not an immediate neighbor of O. Right, J is not an immediate neighbor of O అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే ఓకే లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ K కదా, K O is facing away from the center. O sits immediate right of O, K sits third to the right of O. Right, and ఇక్కడ మనము face M sits immediate yes, this is a mistake, and M is here right side and K will be here and other corner is the Q and we have J sits to the left of Q, Q ki left side. First left, second left, third left, and we have J is not a neighbor here and inkokati enti Other person missing. O L Q P. P is there. P sits third to the left of Q. Yes, P is here. And our answer is here. This is a false assumption. ఒకవేళ ఈ నైబర్ మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే that is answer. Right? Next question. How many persons sit? How many persons sit between P and L when counted from left of P? Left of P. First left, second left, third left, fourth left. 4 persons are there in between. 4 of the following 5 are alike: P, M, K, L, Q. P, M, K, L, Q. P is the person who is in the middle. Remaining all are in the corner. Who among the following faces M? M faces L. Which of the following is a true statement? N faces towards the center. N faces away from the center. O faces P. O faces P. No. J sits second to the left of P. No. J is opposite to P. Q sits immediate right of P. Q sits immediate right of P. Yes. Q sits immediate right of P. And our answer here it is option 4. If P and L and P interchange their positions, immediate left of L. Immediate left of L is J. Right. And here it is a odd man out. Priya Nageshwar, good afternoon. Okay, look at here. Difference of AD. In between we have 2 letters, it is +3. Difference of DG. In between we have 2 letters, +3. JM. In between J and M we have 2 letters, KL, it is +3. In between J, M and O we have only 1 letter, that is N, and here it is +2. Either it should be +3 or it should be +3 +3 or +3 +2. Okay, check it here. R, between R and U we have 2 letters, that is S and T. In between U and W. In between U and W we have only 1 letter, that is +3. We have only 1 letter, that is V, and here it is +2. Right. Here also we have +3 +2. Ante mana answer enti +3 +3 combination, and here it is ADG. Next question. And here we have a question from the family chart. There are 7 members in a family of 3 generations. There are 2 married couples. Okay. A is sister-in-law of F. A is sister-in-law of F ante F is unmarried male person annaru. Right? A is sister-in-law means female. And F is a male person, unmarried అన్నాడు కాబట్టి the chances like A comes to the ఇంకో ఫ్యామిలీకి వెళ్ళింది అందులో yes Divya option 1. Okay, F is unmarried. Next, C is grandfather of G. C is grandfather of 2 generations, in 2 generations. G is sibling of L. G is sibling of L and both are brothers or sisters combination. D is the father of L. D is the father. Right. Next, here we should have 2 married couples. Ante either C can be considered here or D can be considered. C anna consider chesukochu, D anna consider chesukochu, because both are male candidates. Manaki 2 married couples annaru kabatti oka married couple ikkada constant ga vastundi. L is the only niece of M. L is the only niece. Ante L is a female, and G is a male candidate, right? B has two sons. B has two sons annar kabatti already one son inko son and B has two sons. Okay, it clearly shows manaki constant ga ila telustundi. C is the person who married to the B and two sons of B and C, and D is here who married to A and their children are G is the son and L is the female. How many male members are there in the family? In the male members C, D, F, G, we have 4 persons. Next question. If K is a same question. If K is a parent of A, then how is K related to D? K is a parent of A. Then how is K related to D? K related to D. మనకి జెండర్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ అయితే మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు K కి. It may be father-in-law or it may be mother-in-law. And here our option is either B or C. Right? Okay. Here we have a question. 7 persons sit in a row from left to right facing in the south direction. Okay, here we have 7 persons sitting arrangement. 7 persons are sitting in a row arrangement and all of them are facing towards the south direction. South facing. Right, okay. P is from Allahabad. It's better. P is from Allahabad, sits at one of the extreme end. Sits at one of the extreme end anante P may be in the left end or P may be in the right end. Right? If you consider here P Allahabad, right, or P Allahabad, and all are facing out down. 7 persons annar kada 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Right? Only 3 persons sit between P and Delhi. Already P is considered 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Delhi is here. Right? P 1 2 3. Delhi is here. Right? Next. R sits immediate left of S and immediate right of B. Okay. B's right side. R's left and left of S. R is immediate left of S, S left side, and R is immediate right of B's right. Only 2 persons sit between V and B. In between V and B, we have 2 persons. B, V, 2 persons, they can interchange their positions. Right? V belongs to Kanpur. Okay, V is a person who belongs to the Kanpur. Right? Next. The one who belongs to Faizabad sits second to the left of S. First left, second left, and here it is Faizabad. B is Faizabad. Right? Next. Only 1 person sits between the one who belongs to Delhi and Agra. Okay. Only 1 person between Delhi and Agra. Delhi, Agra, they can interchange their positions. No one sits to the left of the one who belongs to Faizabad. Okay. Faizabad person ki left side ఎవరు ఉండకూడదు అని అంటే directly on one side we considered P Allahabad, the other side we considered Faizabad, and Faizabad is B and here it is R and here it is S. In between B and V we have 2 persons and this person belongs to the Kanpur, and in the same way Faizabad, B, ఇలా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుందామంటే it is not possible because B's right side should be R. If you consider B, it will be in the left side. So this is a false assumption. Right? Next, ఇంకేంటి? Delhi, Agra. Delhi, already it is a Faizabad. One person, Agra is here. Right? Next, R does not belongs to Varanasi. Okay. R does not belong to Varanasi. D does not belong to Lucknow or Agra. M does not belong to Lucknow. Okay. D does not belong to Lucknow and M does not belong to Lucknow. Means R belongs to Lucknow. Right? And we left with the more two persons. Right? D does not belong to Agra. Means D will be here. And we left with the one more person. ఇంకొక person ఉన్నారు. మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు కదా ఎవరు అని. ఓకే. అండ్ లక్నో రాజ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వారణాసి. రైట్. అండ్ వీ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ ద ఆర్ అయిపోయింది. ఎం ఇస్ హియర్. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ గీతా. Who among the following belongs to Agra? Sorry. Who among the following belongs to Agra? M belongs to Agra. Answer is M. Who among the following sits immediate right of the one who belongs to Varanasi? Varanasi ki immediate right. Varanasi ki immediate right lo person. Immediate right is M, Agra. M is the person. Varanasi. Varanasi is D and immediate right is P. Next. Four of the following five are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which of the one does not belong? D, Agra. D, Agra kaadu. V, Delhi. Check it here. Okay. D's left side is Agra. V left side is Delhi. R, Lucknow. M, Kanpur. R, Lucknow is a person. R belongs to the Lucknow. Remaining అన్ని మనకి left side persons ని mention చేశారు. But only the R, Lucknow is the person who belongs to. Right? Next. Which of the following statement is true, not true regarding yes? Okay. Yes to false. S belongs to Delhi. S belongs to Delhi. Yes. Yes belongs to Delhi. S sits second to the right of V. D sits immediate right of S. No. D sits immediate right of S kaadu. And S sits second to the left kuda, second to the right of V kaadu, immediate left. And answer is only one follows. Right? Which of the following is not correctly matched? Here they are asking you a false one. D, Varanasi. D, Varanasi, yes. B, Faizabad, yes. Yes, Delhi. R, Agra kaadu. R is Lucknow. Right? Okay. Ikkada manaki pair combination. And they have mentioned here forward as well as backward, both the direction. Right? Here we have consumer. It clearly shows NO in the reverse direction. PQRSTU. NOPQR. S Radu. U chances are not there. M. Okay. RSTU. EFGH Radu. Chances are only two pairs are there, and our answer here it is option 2. Right? And here we have a question from the ranking. There are 50 students in a class. There are 50 students in a class having different ranks from top to bottom. Right? Rank of Piyush is 31st from the top. From the top, Piyush rank is 31st. Arshia is 24th from the bottom. Right? After we have 23 persons, before we have 26 persons. Before we have 30 persons, after we have 19 persons. Right? Okay. How many students lies between the Piyush rank and the Arshiya's rank? Okay. Piyush ki Arshiya's ki madhilo enta mandi unnaru? If you consider in between, right? We have three persons are there. Three persons are there in between Arshia and okay. We need to consider this kada 19. Okay. In between, we have six persons are there in between Arshia and the Piyush. Right? And after consider cheskunnanu, if Ashi's rank lies between the Piyush and the Arshia, then what is the rank of Ashish from the bottom? Lies in between, exactly between annara. Okay. Arshia kindi వీళ్ళకి మధ్యలో exactly in between Arshi and the Piyush, the person Ashish is placed. Okay, వీళ్ళిద్దరు మధ్యలో exactly in between we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Exactly in the middle place చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? From the bottom it is Ashish 24th rank from the bottom. Piyush 31st from the top. Right? In between we have six persons. Right? Exactly in between we have six persons. Three persons, we need to consider like this. Correct. Exactly in between we have three persons. Here we have exactly three ante Ashish rank from the bottom. Ashish rank from the bottom, here it is 23, 22, 22nd from the bottom. How many meaningful English words can be formed from the second, third, fifth, sixth, seventh? E, C, M, E. There is no meaningful word and our answer here it is none. Yes. Next. And here we have a question from the floor based puzzle. Very simple puzzle. Eight persons, that is PLNS, 8-store building. We have, okay, 8-store building with the R lives on the 4th floor. Only one person lives between R and N. In between R and N, we have only one person. It may be considered N in the down. Kindana consider cheskochu leda painana consider cheskochu. Two possibilities. Right? Two persons live between N and O. In between N and O, we have two persons. N ఇక్కడ consider చేసుకుంటే 1, 2, O is here. N ఇక్కడ consider చేసుకుంటే 1, 2, O is here. Q lives immediately above O. Q lives immediately above O అంటే here it is not possible ఎందుకంటే R already ఉంది. This is a false assumption. Q is here. Right? No one lives between L and S. In between L and S, no one is placed. అంటే మనకి ఎక్కడ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక్క దగ్గరే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Right? It can be considered L lives above S. L lives above S అన్నారు కాబట్టి L is here, S is here. M lives above P. P and M is here. And our answer here it is this. Who among the following person lives on 6th floor? 6th floor it is Q. Right? How many persons live between Q and M? In between Q and M, we have two persons, OR. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Then find the one which does not belong to that group. N, P, L, Q, R. N, P, Q, R. Okay. Except P, remaining all are in a even numbered position. Which of the following statement is true regarding S? True regarding S. S lives on topmost floor? No. S lives on a second floor. Q lives immediately below S. Yes, Q lives immediately below S. Option 2. Yes, Anita, it is option 2. Next, if M and P interchange their positions, then who sits immediately above M? M and P interchanges immediately immediately M, above M, it is N. Option is 2. And here we have a question from the inequalities. Right? Okay. RZ ante, check it here. We have a common relation is V. Right? V less than or equal to Z. Right? V less than or equal to Z means R less than, sorry, V less than W, W less than or equal to Z. It means V less than Z. And in place of V, we can directly place R. And here first conclusion is true. Where comes the second one? A greater than Z. From A to V, we have a relation A to V. It is A is greater than V. V is less than Z. We have two different relations. Greater than, less than combination on the second one is a false one. And our answer here it is only one follows. Right? Next. VP. Check it here. V2P relation. V greater than B. B is greater than Q. And Q is greater than P. Directly. And V is greater than P. One is true. Next. E less than B. Check it here. From B to Q, it is greater than, and from Q to E greater than. B నుంచి E కి greater than ఉంది. Interchange చేస్తే E less than B. And our answer here it is option 5. Both 1 as well as 2 follows. Check it here. We need to check the relation from F to Y. F to U, F to X. F to X, it is F is less than X. From X to Y, here it is less than. two different relations. First one is a false conclusion. Second one kuda false. And here we have subject and predicate both are same. And the relation from the F to Y, it is no relation between F and Y. F ki Y ki relation ledu. Rendu false conclusions unnai. And whenever there is no relation between two subject and predicate, it should follow three mathematical operations. Okay, greater undi, less than undi, equal undi. And our answer here it is neither one nor two follows. Check it here. Next question. Q, U relation from Q to U. Check it here from Q to R. Q less than R. From R to U, it is U greater, R greater than U. We have two different relations. First one is a false conclusion. Where comes to the second one? Same. W less than R greater than Y. Again, two different relations. This is also a false conclusion, and our answer here it is neither one nor two follows. Right? Okay. Next question. If in 437652252 we add 2 to all the even numbers and subtract 1 from the odd number. Okay, even number ki 2 add chestunnam, odd number is subtracted by 1. Then what is the sum of number which is fifth from the left end and fifth from the right end? Check it, the fifth from left end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Right? 6 is added with the 2. It is 8. 5 is an odd number which is subtracted with the 1. 4. What is the sum here? 8 plus 4 it is 12, and our answer here it is 12. Anita. 3. Yes. Ratnam. Next question. Point A is 10 meter west of point B. Right. Point D is 10 meter east of point C. Point E, and check it here, AB combination to manki. Point G is south of point E and east of point B. Okay, we'll place separate, then we'll make it a single. Ila mention chesaru. D is east of point C, 10 meters. Point E is 10 meter east of point F. Point F is 15 meter north of point D. Point C is 15 meter north of point B. Point G is south of point E. And east of point B. This is also a east combination vastundi, east side vastundi. And point G is east of point G is okay, right. What is the direction of point B with respect to point E? With respect to point E, it is clear. Point. What is the direction of point B with respect to point E? Check it here. It is clearly shows us క్లియర్ గా మనకి వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ వస్తుంది. 15 15 10 10 వస్తుంది కదా. Point C is 15 meter north of point B. Point E is 10 meter. Point F is 15 meter north of D. Correct. Sorry. Right. Point B with respect to point E is towards west direction. Right. మనకి ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా పాయింట్ డి ఈస్ ఈస్ట్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్ సి మెన్షన్ చేశారు. పాయింట్ ఈ ఈస్ 10 మీటర్ ఈస్ట్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్ ఎఫ్. పాయింట్ ఎఫ్ ఈస్ 15 మీటర్ నార్త్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్ డి. ఓకే, ఇది కిందికి మెన్షన్ చేయాలి, నేను పైకి మెన్షన్. 15 meter north of point D, and here it is east of point. Right. Point C is 15 meter north of point B. Point G is south of point E and east of point B. Okay. Right. What is the direction of point B with respect to point E? With respect to point E, it is clearly shows us south southwest direction. Next, what is the distance between point G and point A? Okay, Prasanna, Prasant. Okay, G and E combination. Check it here. 10, yes. 15. Point B with respect to point E అన్నాడు కదా, పాయింట్ E నుంచి పాయింట్ B కి నార్త్ సౌత్ వెస్ట్ అవుతుంది. రైట్. ఓకే, and here 10 meter, 15 meter and 20, here it is 15. It clearly shows that 10, 20, 30 meters are there in distance between A and G. Right. Next question. Here we have 8 persons are there. A to H sit around a circular table facing to, center of the table but not necessarily in the same order. B sits second to the left of. Okay, here we have circular combination. All are facing towards the center. Right. B sits second to the left of A. You can consider B is here. First left, second left, A is here. Right. Next, 2 persons sit between B and F. In between B and F, we have 2 persons. B, 1, 2, F is here. Or possibility B, 1, 2, F is here. Right. Next, D sits second to the right of F. F first right second right, D is here. F first right second right, D is here. Next, B and D are not immediate neighbors. B and D are not immediate neighbors means this is a false assumption. Right. E sits immediate left of H. Okay, only possibility here. E sits immediate left of H, H, E. D and G are not immediate neighbors to each other. D ki neighbor G undakudu kabatti you consider G is here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We completed our circular arrangement. Who among the following persons sit second to the left of G? G is the second left. First left, second left. Here it is D. B sits second to the left of A. B sits second to the left of A. A is second left. A first left, second left. B, 2 persons are there. And we have E sits immediate left of H, E, H. And G is here. Right. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of G? G is second left, first left, second left. Immediate left of H. H. E. Four of the following five are alike in certain way and from a group find the one. AE opposite GA. GA neighbors. BC. BC opposite GA are the neighbors. Which of the following statement is true? B and E are faces each other. No, B and C are faces each other. A and H are neighbors. No. One person sits between E and C from left of E. Yes. D sits second to the left. D second to the left of B. Right. And our answer here it is option 3. Yes. Okay. This is about SBI Prelims 210004 question paper. Thank you.